Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, ensure you like, share and subscribe. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to draft a simple butterfly dress, a short butterfly dress, and I'll be using this 3 years of fabric to illustrate on that. I've folded my fabric into four equal parts. So the next thing we're doing now is to drive the slope of our dress. Since this material is not wide enough, I'll be trimming off the edges. You can see. So now, first thing first is the slope of your dress. So this is automatically my shoulder line, the line you are seeing. So this is my starting point. I'll take my shoulder measurements, which is 18 inches divided by 2, 9 inches. So my sleeve length, that's my butterfly sleeve where I want it to be. I'll be using the entire part of the fabric, which is 17 inches. Then on that 17 inches for my sleeve length, I'll come down by 1.5 inches slope. Then I'll mark 3 inches along the neckline. So then 1 inch on my shoulder where I marked my shoulder measurement. So I'll just connect the line together. Okay, so this is my shoulder slope. Okay, for my here, the dress length I'm working with is 38 inches. I added 1 inch extra for seam allowance, making it 39 inches because I'll be weaving the hem of my butterfly dress. Okay, from my armhole, I marked my armhole divided by 2, which is 9.5. 19 inches divided by 2 is 9.5. So I'll come down by 1 inch at that point, which will give me 10.5. So on that 10.5 is where my sewing is going to start from. So I came down by 1 inch because of the ease on the armhole area. I don't want it to be tight. That's why I came down by 1 inch. So this is where my sewing will start from. So I'll just draw the line out. Okay, so this is where my sewing is going to start from. So on this point here, I'll put my bust measurement. Okay, I'll just mark my half length 17 inches. Then for my half length, I'll come down by 9 inch for my hip line. So I'll draw all my lines out. Mind you, while marking for your butterfly, you mark on the right side of the fabric. So while sewing, you can see your chalk. So you can see my chalk now. I'm marking on the right side of my fabric. On each of the line now, I'll impute my measurements. This is my chest line, my waistline, and my hip line. So on the chest line now, I'll put my measurements, my bust measurement on my chest line, which is 45 inches. 45 divided by 4 will give me 11.05. So 11.25, 11 and quarter. So I'll mark that out. Okay, in order for us to be, when making a butterfly, it's not usually fitted because this dress will not be having any zipper or button at the back. So I'll add extra 1 inch for ease, 1 inch for ease on my bust measurement. So I'm having total of 12 and quarter. So my waistline now, I'll impute my waist measurement. The waist I'm working with is 40 inches. Divided by 4 will give me 10 inches. 10 inches. Okay, please listen carefully. On my waistline now, this is the 10 inches. I won't be using 1 inch seam allowance, but I'll go ahead and add 1.5 inches seam allowance because my clients have a big tummy. So for it to sit properly well and for the clothes to be easily worn, I'll add 1.5 inches seam allowance. Okay, so that's it there. So on my hip line now, I impute my hip measurement. Hip I'm working with is 50 inches. So 50 divided by 4 will give me 12.5. So I mark my 12.5 there. 12.5. I'll add 1 inch extra for seam allowance. So I'll also add 1 inch extra for seam allowance. I'll connect my lines together. Okay, on the hemming part of my dress, where I marked my dress length, so this is it. I will trim off the excesses I'm having in order not to get you confused. Okay, I'll mark what I have on my hip line, the total measurement, including the seam allowance. I have a total of 14 inches, so I'll come here and mark my 14 inches. I'll add 1 inch extra for ease. So I'll be coming up here. I want my dress to have a kind of opening at the down part for easy movement. So I'll come up here by 5 inches. So this is where my sewing is going to stop. I'll just connect. Okay. So I wouldn't want to leave the down of my butterfly like so. I want to have curvy effect down part. So at this part where I have my butterfly, I'll go up by 3 inches. Just go up by 3 inches and connect to meet the center here. So I'm copying it like this. So that's all. I'll just trim this out. Okay. So our sewing will start from this chest line like so and stop here. So I won't be sewing to the end here because I want here to be open for easy movement. So I'll just trim off my shoulder slope. My shoulder slope. I'm just cutting my shoulder slope now. So for the neckline, I'm using a round neck for this butterfly. My neck width will be 4.5, 4.5 by 4 inches. Front and back neck will be same. So I'll just cut this off. Okay, so that's the neck I'll be using. So I'll just open up the side area, making it open. Okay, so I just made the side area equal. So this is my butterfly. I'll flip my fabric over to the other side and make and mark same measurements. Just repeat same process on the other side of the form. Okay. So this is the other side of fabric, so I can have the same line. Okay. My chest line 10.5, half length 17 inches, hip line 9 inches below your half length. So I'll just put them out again. So I'll increase my measurement again, just like we did for the other side. First measurement 45 divided by 4 plus 1 inch for ease. The half length 40 inches divided by 4, 10 inches plus 1.5 inches for ease. The hip So I just repeat same process here. This is the lower part and this is the upper part. So I just go to my machine now and sew. I'll join the both shoulders together first using half inch. I'll be using an orange color bias to bias my neckline. Then I will stitch from the chest line to my dress length. So like I said, my sewing is going to stop here because I want the openings. I want a slit here, an opening here. So I will sew to the end of my dress. I'll stop sewing at this point where I mark. So I'll just do just that and show you how beautiful this dress. This is just a simple butterfly dress that I can make in 10 minutes. Okay, we'll be joining the shoulder area first. So I'll turn it backward. That's right side facing each other and join the both shoulder. Then turn it back right face. Right on the right side now. I'm just turning it backward. Okay. Right side facing each other. You join your shoulder using half. Okay, I've joined my both shoulders. You can see the lines. Okay, this my thread and use the other shoulder. So I'll be turning back to the right side. Mark on the chalk and turn over to the right side. So here we marked where we sew from. You can see the line. I will take it down. I'll sew it straight. I'll just sew on the chalk we marked. That will be all. Then I'll bias the neckline. I'll weave the side. I'll interlock the side area round using a matching thread. And that will be all about this dress. So I'll be showing you guys the finishing part of this dress next. You don't even know the conflict. Why you trying to tell me all these things? So this is the aspect of my butterfly dress. This is a very simple casual dress. You can choose to stone yours. This is a neck well biased and it's looking neat. When you're done sewing, ensure you clean your chalk mark on the right face. So your work will be looking very neat. So I'll just go ahead and interlock the side area all around using a matching thread. And that will be all for this beautiful dress. You can make this within 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And it's very simple. Thanks so much for watching. Ensure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.